Hello everyone, welcome back again. I hope all of you are doing good in these corona times. I would like to thank all of those who have subscribed to my channel and liked my videos, and those who have not, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. My channel is Debit Credit with Akanksha Kalyan. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now, I have been doing the fundamentals of partnership for quite a long time now. I have done the PL appropriation account, the partner's capital account, the partner's current account, interest on drawings, salary, remuneration, and various other things that are related to the PL appropriation account, the partner's capital account, and the partner's current account. I have done a few sums based on these concepts, and I have also introduced you all to a concept called the guarantee of profits, minimum profits. I have done a sum based on that. I have started the concept of past adjustment, and I have already introduced you all and worked on a sum based on the first category of past adjustments, that is the single adjustment entry system. Today I am going to talk about the theory part of the PL adjustment account. Now, the last category or the last part of the fundamentals of partnership accounts, that is the past adjustment under the PL adjustment account. Now, this is the second category under past adjustments. Here we do not make a table showing the net effects of the omissions or the errors. Instead, we pass journal entries for each error or omission. Now, I will be listing the different journal entries in every case, so don't worry about it. Now, PL adjustment account is closed by either debiting or crediting with the corresponding credit or debit to the capital and the current accounts. Now, how that happens will be explained by me through journal entries. Now, the adjustment entry for withdrawing profits, the very first thing is we will withdraw the profits that has been given to the partners. So, partners capital or current account debit to the PL adjustment account. Mind you, not the PL appropriation account but the PL adjustment account. Again, partners capital or current account debit to the PL adjustment account, and then we are going to make adjustment entries for items which are credited to the partners capital or current account. First, PL adjustment account debit to partners capital or current account. These journal entries are very important. I really recommend that you all take down these journal entries. Now, the third entry would be the adjusting entry for the items which are debited to the partner's capital or current account. Partner's capital or current account debit to PL adjustment account. Now, for the net profit or net loss due to adjustments, when there is a profit, PL adjustment account debit to partner's capital or current account, and for loss, partner's capital or current account debit to PL adjustment account. Now, how we work on these journal entries and how we approach a sum based on the PL adjustment account will be done by me through a sum. You could refer to the next video. The reason why I am putting up these videos is because I have been teaching for the last 10 years and I have seen students make the same common mistakes over and over again. Now, so I thought I would bring up these videos with much more clarity, and so you all could approach the sums with more confidence, with a clear thought in your minds. I hope all of you have started your preparation for the 2022 boards. If you have not, I really recommend that you should start now, else it becomes very taxing to prepare at the last minute. Also, I give online and offline classes. Just in case you all want to approach me for the classes, the number has been given at the end of the videos. If you like my video and my channel, do subscribe to it. Debit credit with Akanksha Kalyani. Thank you so much.